Hello YouTube building community, this is Marcos from Tortuga Costumes. I want to make a really quick video here about wet sanding. As you can see, this is my Camaro 69 Camaro, and I started the wet sanding process. As you can see in the front, I showed you guys a couple days ago the hood, and here's the trunk. It's really smooth right now, as you can tell. And I want to make just show the process about that. I know many of you have done this, and I've learned from those. I'm not saying that they're not good, and I'm not the best either, but I want to make a really quick video here. I just said I have the 1800 first, 1800 grit, and very gentle, trying to not go far of the edges, as you can see. I'm going one direction right now, and after this, with the same sandpaper, I go to the other direction very carefully, obviously, as you can see. Sorry, I'm not the best doing this. Let's see, I can do it better. Yeah, that's not better. I don't want to ruin the paint. That's the way I do it. It doesn't mean that's the way it have to be done, but that's the way I do it, and I got really good results with this. Sorry, this is the first time I'm doing this. I can feel the rust, the rough of the paint. I can feel it. Okay. After this, I'll dry it up so I can see how it is. Just regular paper towel. Let me see, I can have some light right there. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, there it is. You can see I still have the orange peel. Not in the front, not that much. If you can see it here. I still have some. So I grab the same paper and then go very small over the edge, trying to not get in there, just right over.